Hello and good day. So for the project setup, for the front end, we are using Vue. Vue is a single page application. As you can see here, when I navigate to other pages, it transitions very smoothly without reloading the entire page. This helps improve performance and gives a better user experience. For the back end, we are using Laravel. Laravel is a PHP framework and all API endpoints are coming from Laravel. For the database, we are using MySQL, which handles all stored data for the system. What I worked on here is mainly fixing two tickets. The first ticket is delete student action visible to teacher despite restricted permission. Here is the video attached by our QA. As you can see, the QA used a teacher account and went to the My Students page. The trash button is visible even though teachers are not allowed to delete students. When clicking the delete button, an error message appears stating that only directors can permanently delete students. This confirms that the backend restriction exists, but the UI still shows the action. To fix this, I imported the Auth Store. The Auth Store has a function that checks the role of the currently logged in user. In my attached video, I am logged in as a teacher. As you can see, the trash button is no longer visible in the actions column. This confirms that the delete action is now properly restricted on the front end based on user role. That ticket is now resolved. The second ticket is inconsistent status options between the edit student modal and the change status modal. This is not exactly an error, but a missing option issue. In the change status modal, we have several options such as enrolled and active, graduated, transferred, and withdrawn. However, when editing a student and clicking the status field, only 3 options were available. This caused inconsistency between the two modals. To fix this, I copied the status options from the change status modal and applied them to the edit student modal. As you can see here, the change status modal remains unchanged. And now in the edit student modal, all status options are available and consistent. That ticket is also completed. The next task is still ongoing. This is related to Laravel Filament. We are using Laravel Filament because it allows a quick setup for an admin panel. This will be used as a centralized area for customer support, user feedback, and blogs for our MVP websites. Currently, the contact feature is not yet available and is still using the default setup. For now, I will focus first on the blogs module since this is the most important feature we need. I will add it to the admin panel and deploy it once the API is confirmed to be available and functional on our static MVP websites. That's all. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If the video was helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.